Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the sound degradation type in Mouse PI for Hire. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, navigate to the audio settings. Scroll down and look to the general tab. Here at the top should be the sound degradation. Here you can change the type of sound degradation. Bass is the no degradation. It's basic. It's the normal sound. Then is vinyl, cellulose disc, cylinder black celluloid, and brown wax cylinder. Choose whichever one you prefer. I will stick with the cellulose disc, for example. Next, hit apply. After that, close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.